Jonas Salk, who seemed to be an impeccable being, was very successful in his area of work. From being the first in his family line to go to college, to being the creator of a vaccine against the polio virus, he seems to have worked hard throughout his entire career and life. Salk kept working until the day he died. He worked in trying to find a vaccine against AIDS, but death ended up halting his work. When Salk found a successful vaccine, he went on and decided not to patent his vaccine. The act of kindness on his part allowed for the vaccine to be spread worldwide, saving over millions of lives.
The polio virus can cause lifelong paralysis and death. In 1952, the worst polio outbreak in the U.S. infected nearly 60,000 children that killed more than 3,000 and left many paralyzed in tank respirators called iron lungs. 3 years later, Dr. Jonas Salk developed and introduced the first polio vaccine.
Dr. Jonas Salk.
When Jonas Salk went on an exploration of medicine, it led him to a discovery that would change the world forever.
That we will solve the problem. It's just a matter of time, and just a matter of strategy. Now, why do I say that this is the case? It's because I think solutions come through evolution.
Dr. Salk spent 5 years researching a vaccine for the destructive polio virus. His encounter with the cure led him to being a household name and a remarkable doctor in the medical field.
Define and to discover and to define.
You mean when you asked the question about how to defeat polio, the answer was already there?
Mm-hmm. In a way, if you think of David and Michelangelo, it was in the stone, but it had to be unveiled and revealed. You don't invent the answer, you reveal the answer.
From nature.
From nature.
From the life process.
Right.
On April 12, 1955, it was announced that the vaccine was safe and effective. John Salk's exploration left a mark indelible in the history of medicine.